Hey guys, what's happening? How to convert currency on Wise. So as you can see right here, under the send, you're gonna be able to see I have $7, right? So now in order to convert it, I'm gonna click on the currency, right? So I'm gonna click this currency, okay? And now under the account details or get account details, you're gonna see convert, add, send. Click the one in the middle to convert. And now I'm gonna convert, let's say, $1, right, to the AUD, okay, and then or any other currency. You can click the AUD and change it, of course. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit continue, the green button, okay. And now what you're gonna do, as you can see, they will take their fee Wise and then hit convert from here. And now you converted $1 to 1 AUD. Okay, so let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and catch you in the next time.